Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to add new resources. You may have clicked on the resource utilization icon in the main menu and seen this message, no resource information. Create some resources and assign them to opportunities. Let's do the first part of that now and create some resources. The first concept that you need to understand is that resources are not the same as team members. Team members are other users that you've chosen to add to Opphound so that they can view and edit data in your Opphound account. Resources can be people, teams, or even equipment that you want to allocate to opportunities and projects. Once you create resources, you can then start monitoring their utilization. As an example, you may have 30 people in your team. 10 might be contractors, another 10 might be junior staff, and another 10 might be senior staff. You may only want to allow the 10 senior staff members to access Opphound, so you would invite them as team members, but you might want to track all 30 people as resources. So let's go ahead and create some resources. I'll cover how you add team members in another video. So in the settings menu, select resources. The top panel in the resource screen is for creating resources. The bottom panel on the left shows your active resources and also your entitlement under your current plan. The bottom panel on the right shows your deactivated resources. You can have as many deactivated resources as you like. In this example, I'm going to create 4 resources and they're going to be people. The first resource I'm going to create will be Wayne. So I'll enter his name in the resource box. In the next field for a resource is max utilization. It's up to you to define exactly what this box means, but in most cases for an individual this would be their percentage of full-time loading. So if I assume for this example that Wayne works 4 days per week, then the maximum utilization would be 80%. This will help me later to figure out if Wayne is overloaded. Now I'll hit save. You can see that Wayne now appears as an active resource. I'll add 3 more resources. Jade at 100%, Peter at 80%, and Trish at 100%. What you can see now is that I've reached the limit of my active resources, and the panel to add resources is now telling me that I need to deactivate a resource or upgrade my plan if I want to add any more. If I go ahead and deactivate a resource, you can see that I now have the add resource panel back. If I change my mind, I can reactivate a resource at any time. At the moment, Opphound does not let you delete resources. This is because delete operations can't be undone, and there's a risk that the history of opportunities will be lost. But since you can have as many deactivated resources as you want, simply deactivate the ones you don't need and then create new ones. The other thing I can do from this screen is to edit the resources. I'll click on the edit button and the row becomes a form where I can change Wayne's name or adjust his max utilization. I'll change it to 60% based on the assumption that Wayne has dropped down to 3 days per week and hit save. In the active and deactivated resource panels, I can sort resources by their name and their max utilization. This puts all the full-time resources at the top, for example. Now that we've finished adding our resources, let's look at the resource utilization chart. You can see that it's still blank. At this stage, even though we've created resources, we haven't assigned them to opportunities yet. I'll show you how to assign opportunities in another video. I hope that this video has helped you understand the difference between team members and resources and encouraged you to create your own resources in Opphound today. Thanks.